Jai Baba, everyone. Jai Baba.
जय बाबा।
जय बाबा।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Myrtle Beach, for including Indian bhajans in your calendar. And now, my family from Mehrabad, we have chosen 10 songs today. 10 songs we have chosen for you, all the Baba lovers throughout the world who are watching right now. And they are mixed with, our favorite Baba's people, poets of that time, Madhusudan, and then dear Bhauji. They have written beautiful songs. And being a member of Avatar Meher Baba Center for a long, long time, I have learned many of them. Like 100 plus songs I have said in my voice and my sons also. So we'll be singing some of the Bauji's bhajans, ghazals, and Madhusudan's songs. And finally, I have also started long back, like 25 years ago, while walking on the pathways of Mehrabad. Songs, the lyrics and the tunes came to me simultaneously. I used to rush to my family, my home, and I used to sit with my sons and take the harmonium and tabla, and then I used to sing for them, and then we used to fridge the lyrics and the tune. I will be singing only one of mine for just to, the people liked it, that's why. Very oftenly, many times I have sung that near Samadhi, and many other concerts happen at Mehrabad, Mehrazad, and many other places in India. Jai Baba. The very first song which is going to come is written by Bhauji, and the story of this song is about Bhauji only when he was getting older and he was sick also. But he used to visit our center very frequently, and in spite of one not able to walk, the people, they used to take him on wheelchair for every weekly meeting in Baba's center. And then some people may remember that when Bauji used to meet them, he used to pat on this, saying that Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. So, in God Speaks, 10 states of God have been mentioned. And this is one of the state of the God, is Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Creator, preserver, and destroyer. So I am going to sing the very first song is Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, is in Hindi. Okay? Jai Baba. Loudness. मेहर ब्रह्मा मेहर विष्णु मेहर देवो महेश्वरा मेहर साक्षात पर ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री मेहराय नमः। सब सृष्टि में आभा तुम्हारी, जड़ चेतन में वास। नमन करूं मैं मेहर तुम्हें, प्रेमी के तुम दास। मेहर तुम ही हो सृष्टि में, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। चले ना एक पल सृष्टि कारज, तुम्हारे बिना अखिलेश। मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब, उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब, लेते ब्रह्मावेश, लेते ब्रह्मावेश। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब, उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब, लेते ब्रह्मावेश, लेते ब्रह्मावेश। पालन करते सृष्टि का वह, पालन करते सृष्टि का वह, विष्णु बन अखिलेश, विष्णु बन अखिलेश। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। त्रिगुणातीत कहलाते हैं वह, त्रिगुणातीत कहलाते हैं वह, उन बिना नहीं कछु शेष, उन बिना नहीं कछु शेष। हर पल सृष्टि में है भाऊ, हर पल सृष्टि में है उनका ही आदेश, उनका ही आदेश। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, मेहर तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब उत्पत्ति जब करते हैं तब लेते ब्रह्मावेश लेते ब्रह्मावेश ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश मेरा तो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश मेरा तो ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश मेरा तो ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश मेरा तो ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। प्रशांत सेकंड इज प्रशांत माइक प्रशांत है प्रशांत तू गा रहा नहीं तेरा सीक्वेंस है ना
मुझे लिरिक्स दो ना।
Now my son, elder son Prashant is going to sing one Bauji song. The tune is composed by both of my sons, you know, and he is going to sing a new bhajan for you. Lyrics by Bauji. आवाज चेक करेगा सूर्य का नहीं
आवाज बड़ा हो
जोरात कर प्रश्न
सूर्य का बड़ा आवाज और बड़ा
ये तो कैसा
और कम आवाज ठेवला
अरे वो आवाज वाढव
हां यस
हां अरे मला ये वाजव तबला दे ना बाबा
स्टार्ट कर स्टार्ट कर
जय घे बरं गाणं.
इसका मीनिंग बता दो. पूछा हूँ मैंने.
हा, मग ते मला बोलायचं ते कुठे माझी वही
कॉपी पेस्ट करके रखती ना तो लेकिन वहाँ कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकती थी.
घे रे. थर्ड हा तुझ पे बीते हजार.
ओके.
वाढू का जरा?
हाँ थोड़ा सा.
Sorry. Now third song is from Madhusudan, and this song has got little story concerned to me. Is in the beginning when I joined Baba Center, I started tabla playing right there the very first day, and I saw Baba's picture and my work was done. So I was in the search of God for 3 years before, and then I came in the center and stepped in. I saw Baba's picture, and all of a sudden, I said, I got it. This is the one for whom I was searching for. And it was little, I said that it would have been happened some 2-3 years before, but it's all Baba's key, and then that onwards I know I kept playing tabla here and there. Mr. Ted Jerson, the architect working at Mehrabad, he is the first, my inspiration I can say. He motivated me to just be in the Baba's programs through music. You just do Baba's service. And Nanaji Kher, who used to say, welcome home, and he used to conduct aartis for many years, and he used to hug everyone and how are you, and take Baba with you. So that is a little story. And then what happens, when we started, traveling throughout the India to attend Baba programs, and Kusum Mokam Singh of Delhi, she invited us in 1997, and that time my sons, they were very, they were kids, difficult to handle, and we have decided that when she has, called us, and we should attend the program 3rd December. Every year they conduct that for 2-3 days program, and then I booked the train, and we were rushing from here and there with our big luggage, because those are the winter days, the very cold atmosphere. That's why we had to carry lots of woolen clothing and all that. So it was huge, with me, baggage with me, and then these 2 kids with us. Then we reached there, and everyone welcomed us. And then what happens, the main thing related to this song is, I came to know that Pune Bhajan Mandali, they are right there, and Madhusudani was there upstairs, his quarter was there, and Subhadra and Madhusudan. Then I rushed to his room, and then I said Jai Baba very lovingly. They were very kind, My wife always says that we should attend that kind of politeness, and we should learn from such, Baba lovers. There are many Mandali also. So Madhusudan very lovingly, he welcomed me there in his room, and then I had a request. I said that, sir, with your kind permission, I want to attempt one of your songs. You know that I am playing tabla for many years, but throughout these years, I have, through my listening, I have learned many songs, and I think that I should sing one. and this is the place where people don't know me as a singer. So let me introduce myself as a singer of Baba's bhajans. And then he said, very nice. Yeah, you can sing because you play tabla, you know beat and all that, and you know music. So I have heard you murmuring, always you sing along me, and then why don't you attempt? So that was my first, bhajan. I sang for Baba people at Delhi, and that was the bhajan I remember. Bhajan is saying that, Madhusudan is saying that to us, the Al Baba lover, that तुझ पे बीते हजार दुख तू हिम्मत न हार मेहर दामन छूटे ना. This is about the, in spite of any kind of calamities, disaster, and the sorrows and miserable things and all happenings around you, with you, you should not lose his daman. So the song is about that. So I will not translate the whole thing, but I just sing that. Yeah, I am going to sing the song. पूर्ण ट्राय कर गाणं कसं आहे. ओके. तुझ पे बीते हजार दुख तू हिम्मत ना हार. तुझ पे बीते हजार दुख तू हिम्मत ना हार. मेहर दामन छूटे ना मेहर दामन छूटे ना तुझ पे बीते हजार दुख तू हिम्मत ना हार. मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना. गर हो नैया मझधार और टूटे पतवार. गर हो नैया मझधार मेहर दामन छूटे ना मेहर दामन छूटे ना तुझ पे बीते हजार दुख तू हिम्मत ना हार. मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना. डगमगाते हुए हिचकिचाते हुए कोई जाता है पीछे मिलन को. पी तो ऐसे नगर जिसकी ऊंची डगर, जाना हाथों में लेकर जिगर को. जाना हाथों में लेकर जिगर को. छोड़ तन मन की आस तोड़ माया के पास. मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन. वो लगन ही नहीं भूले ना खुद को ही. वो लगन ही नहीं भूले ना तू तो लिपटा है अपने ही अपने, मन तो माने नहीं मस्त अपने में ही, मन तो माने नहीं मस्त अपने में ही, डूबे प्रीतम ना प्रेमी न प्रेम में, हो डूबे प्रीतम ना प्रेमी न प्रेम में, छोड़ तन मन की आग तोड़ माया के पास, मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना प्रीत क्या चीज है सुना तूने भी है, प्रीत क्या चीज यहाँ सर्वस्व करना निछावर, तू न दुनिया रहे पी केवल रहे, दुनिया रहे पी केवल रहे, ऐसी मजबूरी होती यहाँ पर, यूं चलेगा अगर मधुसूदन अमर, यूं चलेगा अगर मधुसूदन अमर, तेरा संयम छूटे ना ओ तेरा संयम छूटे ना, छोड़ तन मन की आस छोड़ माया के पास, मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना बीते हजार दुख तो हिम्मत ना हार, मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना ओ मेहर दामन छूटे ना अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। संपलं म्हणून सांगितलं ना तर मला परत गाणं स्टार्ट करायचं असतं पुन्हा एकदा वर्षेस झाल्यावर. ओके ते लक्ष किती झाले? 4 हा कोण सांगणार हे? तू तरी लक्ष ठेव किती. अरे तू तर ॲब्सेंटच तू इथून कशातच नाही आहे. चौथे ना गाणं. ओके ते दिस इज नाउ 4th सॉन्ग. Sureka, come here. So my daughter-in-law Sureka is going to sing one song. Is of Bauji, you know, and the tune is said by my sons and they sing together. क्या मेहर कुठे गाणे मला सांगायचं त्याच्याबद्दल. कुठे ते अरे कसं लिहून काय दिलं होतं मला इथं 4th सॉन्ग. क्या मेहर ते सांग तू सांग.
I am Surekha. I'll be singing a song. कौन सहाय मन का. I'll just start over.
ते गाणं वाजवते सगळं. लगेच ठेवली तिकडे घ्या. मैं तो मर्जी मेहर की घ्या. घे प्रश्न मला माईक दे बरोबर करून. गाणं का The fifth song is from Bauji's Khamosh Vani book, and the song is about, this is in Hindi again, मैं तो मर्जी मेहर की चाहूं. This is about the wish expressed by Baba, and Bauji is responding it to the Baba's wish, that he is promising that I will live up to your wish, and I will always keep in mind that you have expressed such a wish, and I will try to help others in any of the circumstances. जय बाबा. ती है मधुवंती है. साग मदनी सा मी आता सूर घेतो तू कसं ना मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूँ, 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 मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूँ। दा दिन दा दिन मर्जी उन्होंने जो दर्शाई, मर्जी उन्होंने जो दर्शाई, याद मनीष दिन लाऊं, याद मनीष दिन लाऊं, मैं मर्जी में हेर की चाहूँ, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूँ, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूँ। सुख दुख जो जीवन में आए, सुख दुख जो जीवन में आए, खुशी खुशी अपनाऊं, खुशी खुशी अपनाऊं, बाबा से ही मिलती हालत, बाबा से ही मिलती हालत, मन को यह समझाऊं, मन को यह समझाऊं, मैं मर्जी में हेर के चाहूं, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर के चाहूं, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर के चाहूं। बाबा ही तो हर सब में है, बाबा ही तो हर सब में है, कभी नहीं बिसराऊं, कभी नहीं बिसराऊं, जितनी सेवा मुझसे होवे, जितनी सेवा मुझसे होवे, परिजन की कर पाऊं, परिजन की कर पाऊं, मैं मर्जी में हेर की चाहूं, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूं, मैं तो मर्जी में हेर की चाहूं। मरन घड़ी में बाबा को मैं मरण घड़ी में चित में अपने पाऊं भूल नहीं हो इससे निशिदिन भूल नहीं हो इससे निशिदिन बाबा रटते जाऊं बाबा रटते जाऊं मैं मर्जी मेरे की चाहूं मैं तो मर्जी मेरे की चाहूं मैं तो मर्जी मेरे की चाहूं भावु जीवन में मैं उनकी भावु जीवन में मैं उनकी मर्जी को ही पाऊं मर्जी को ही पाऊं अंत समय में नाम ना भूलूं अंत समय में नाम न भूलूं उनको ही पा जाऊं उनको ही पा जाऊं मैं मर्जी मेरे की चाहूं मैं तो मर्जी मेरे की चाहूं मैं तो मर्जी मेहर की मर्जी मेहर की मर्जी मेहर की चाहूं अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय Now this team, I can share one thing about our family. Is my, thinking. I am head of the family and I came first to Baba, okay. But they are very older than me. They are very old Baba lovers. I believe. Because I did not want to, get married, But something happened and Baba, insisted upon me and I had to get married and I will tell these stories later, but काय सांगत I got married to a Kalpana, I call her Maya because she has come in my life as a Maya and I have to fall in love with her and then this Maya I have created around me. But anyhow, how we live in this family together. I believe that we all are Baba lovers and we have come together to love him and to work for him. And our life, the goal of our life, as Baba said, is to become one with him and to start with loving him. We can attain that state, we don't know when, but this is the way. Baba told that many times, and the Baba lovers repeat his name, sing for him, be in Baba's family all the time, discuss with people, read the books and all that. So all the time Baba, Baba, Baba and Baba, that's all. So in our family always bhajans and singing and aarti. So the Baba lovers comes and so we enjoy in that manner. There is no time for getting bored. during this lockdown also. So we are enjoying this time, you know. So we are doing more and more music for him, and my sons, they have initiated and they are doing something, you know, for people around. And throughout the world, people are enjoying some program. In the middle of that, we had, you know, this invitation, and we have prepared something for you. Now the next song.
मेहर की नगरी में
अरे यार तू माझं सध्या तिथं लिहिते राव. किती गाणे फक्त एवढं सांगतो. किती गाणे किती आहे मग हे तर तुम्हाला माहिती नाही. हा 6 वर्ड हायरे झालं का मग तेच आहे आता. मी तुमचं सांगत होतो फॅमिलीचं. नाव प्रशांत प्रवीण and their wives Surekha and Poonam, they all will sing one Bauji's bhajan, and the tune is set by them. This will be a new tune for all. Surya.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। हेलो, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। सत्य की फिर से जगाने, सत्य की ज्योति फिर से जगाने लाए प्रेम पार, लाए प्रेम पार। आए रे आए रे आए रे मेरे आए रे आए रे आए रे मेरे सत्य की ज्योति फिर से जगाने, सत्य की ज्योति फिर से जगाने लाए प्रेम पार, लाए
आधार, एक वही आधार। आए रे, आए रे, आए रे मेरे आए रे, आए रे, आए रे सबको अपना प्रेम है देते, सबको अपना प्रेम है देते, सब धर्मों का सार, सब धर्मों का सार। उनके बिन है जीवन भाव, उनके बिन है जीवन भाव। मीठा की मिठा, मीठा की मिठा। आए रे, आए रे, आए रे मेरे आए रे, आए रे, आए रे मेरे सतकी फिर से जगाने,
सतकी ज्योति फिर से जगाने,
लाए प्रेम अपार, लाए प्रेम अपार। आए रे, आए रे, आए रे मेरे आए रे, आए रे, आए रे मेरे आए रे, आए रे, आए रे बाबा की जय।
ऐकलं तू ऐकू द्या मग किती आहे गाणं
माया आयरे झालं त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट
7वं मग ते तू एकूनच आहे
सूर्य रिप्लेस कर ना.
असं मला तुला वाढवा
आम्ही
लागला
वाढवतो.
नेमकं वाजून हे झालं
अरे ग्रेट.
आणि तू हे झालं 7वं झालं 8वं
नहीं सही है. Catch नहीं करें. अच्छा बात करेंगे. Okay.
पूनम आहे जब पूनम में गाते चलो आता
हाथी लगा दो तुमको
है क्या
नहीं 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 कृष्ण पापा को भी गाने दे.
बरं ठीक आहे
ठीक है. और उसके बाद वो फिर गा.
मला ते
थोड़ा
नको
आवाज तुमचा येणार नाही.
हे बघ सा रे म प म कोणतं म स्टँडर्ड रे ने सा रे नि सा नि प म रे नि रे सा वाजव बरं हे तर शिकलंच पाहिजे मला ते थोडं रागाची इस्टॅब्लिश करावं लागेल चला चला काही नाही करायची नुसतं एक गाणं कमी झालं तर माझ्या तोंडावर लाईट नाही हे
तुम्ही गा.
नाव आय एम सिंगिंग वन bhajan which is the words have directly come to me in Mehrabad walking, you know, and it has got a small story about the past. When we used to go to Mehrazad Sundays and we used to meet mandlis and they used to, you know, welcome us and hug us and very cheerfully they used to welcome us, and we used to enjoy the time there. And they were knowing that I am a musician, I sing and I play and all that. Alobaji actually caught me one day, and he took me to his room and said that, what is your problem? So he, identified me with a problem, the person with a problem. Then I explained. He was very strict and he said, you sit here, this is for you, and your wife will sit here and look at me and tell me what is happening, what is your problem. So I explained the whole thing. Then he says that, don't worry, Meher Baba is Khuda, Meher Baba is God. So it was a very, very strong, impact on me, and really that entered in me. And then one day I started, this song. The name Khuda has come in this. And then afterwards I started, I completed the song, and then I started singing at Samadhi and all other places. Then one day, Bauji was taken on wheelchair in our center, and I started this song, singing this song, and Bauji was totally, silent, and he was near Baba's photo, and he was about to take darshan and leave. But when I was singing this song, he attended and he listened complete song. So the words in this song are different, and they are in the praise of Lord God, highest of the high, attributes of the God. And this is a kind of prayer song. That's why maybe Bauji listened to every word and he stayed there. And I think Bob Fredericks, he was there, he was shooting the event. And he said that, later on, it was a fantastic one. So I am going to reproduce that one. That moment, I remember that Bauji was there and I was singing. मेहर बाबा मेहर बाबा मेहर बाबा मेहर बाबा मेहर बाबा तू है खुदा, ओ मेहरबा तू है खुदा, मेहर बाबा तू है खुदा, मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। तू है सबका मालिक फिर भी, तू है सबका मालिक फिर भी, तू है सबसे जुदा। तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। तेरे ही दम पे ये सारी कायनात, तेरे ही दम पे ये सारी कायनात, सारे नजारे सारी फिजा, सारे नजारे सारी फिजा, सारे नजारे सारे नजारे सारी फिजा। तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। तू ही अव्वल तू ही आखिर, तू ही अव्वल तू ही आखिर, तू ही काबिल तू ही बातिन, तू ही काबिल तू ही बातिन, तू ही अल्लाह, तू ही अल्लाह, तू ही पैगंबर, तू ही अल्लाह, तू ही पैगंबर। तेरे ही दम से ये धरती अंबर, तेरे ही दम से ये धरती अंबर, सारे नजारे सारे नजारे सारी फिजा। तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। जर्रा जर्रा है तुझसे भरा हुआ, जर्रा जर्रा है तुझसे भरा हुआ, मछली पंछी और ये हवा, मछली पंछी और ये हवा, मर्जी बिना तेरे पत्ता भी ना हिले, मर्जी बिना तेरे पत्ता भी ना हिले। कयामत भी है तेरी अदा, कयामत भी है तेरी अदा, कयामत भी है, कयामत भी है तेरी अदा। तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। मेरे बाबा तू है खुदा। मैं नाचिज़ हूँ तेरे ही बस में, मैं नाचिज़ हूँ तेरे ही बस में, तू कर सकता सबको वश में, तू कर सकता तेरे बिना नहीं जीवन सारा, तेरे बिना नहीं जीवन सारा, ये जग जीवन तेरा पसारा, ये जग जीवन तेरा पसारा, मधुकर भी है तुझ बिन अधूरा, मधुकर भी है तुझ बिन अधूरा, हर प्रेमी है तुझसे ही पूरा, हर प्रेमी है तुझसे ही पूरा, तेरे ही दम पे ये सारी कायनात, तेरे ही दम से ये सारी कायनात, सारे नजारे, सारे नजारे, सारी फिजा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, मेहर बाबा, तू है खुदा मेहर बाबा, तू है खुदा, तू है सबका मालिक फिर भी तू है सबसे जुदा, तू है सबका मालिक फिर भी तू है सबसे जुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा खुदा खुदा, तू है खुदा, तू है खुदा मेहर बाबा, तू है खुदा, तू है खुदा, तू है खुदा, तू है खुदा, तू है खुदा। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय बाबा. नाही शेवटीचे कसं होतं बरं का, तेरे दम पे एकदम मन काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
That was awesome.
मला वाटतं 8 बत्ते झालं ना. हा मेहर की नगर मी आहे ना नंतर. नाही खूप छान आहे ना. नाही नाही सगळं करायचंय बघा आता काय पुन्हा मी हा नाही मी करतो ना, वाजवतो ना, मी वाजवतो ना, तिच्यासाठी मी वाजवतो. तिथं ती चिंताशी म्हणत कोणाचं हेच का, तो वाजवणार आहे का मधुसूदन ते, मग तो पाहिजे का वाजवायला. Okay, now the next number is again Madhusudan. The song is about जब चिंता से घिर जाओ, जब दुख से चैन गवाओ, तो कहना मेहर बाबा. Whenever you are in trouble, you are facing problems, you are not able to think, and you don't understand anything, then what to do? Take Baba's name. Jai Baba, Jai Baba. So that is the theme of this song. जब चिंता से घिर जाओ, जब दुख से चैन गवाओ, तो कहना मेहर बाबा. पुढचं काय? You try once, you know, when you are in trouble, you just take Baba's name. बाबा कहकर देखो, जरा दिल में अपने जाको. Check inside and you will be happy. So this is the Baba's name, which is a giver of happiness, and your problems will disappear. Jai Baba.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय.
कुछ भी समझ न पाओ तो कहना मेहर बाबा.
जब कोई राह न पाओ,
जब कुछ भी सह ना पाओ,
जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा मेहर बाबा, जय बाबा जय
जरा मेहर कह कर देखो,
जरा दिल में अपने झांको,
वही काशी वही है काबा,
जय बाबा मेहर बाबा, जय बाबा जय बाबा, जय बाबा मेहर बाबा।
ये दुनिया एक उलझन है,
ये दुनिया एक उलझन है,
यहाँ माया की अनबन है, जो चाहे प्रेम की आभा, बाबा जय बाबा,
जो जपे मेहर को हर पल, वो पाए शांति का फल। जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा मेहर बाबा, जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा मेहर बाबा, जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। पाणी आलं पान नाही यार तुम्ही कोणी सुरू दे रे बाय हातुडे सुरू बाबा हाँ मेर की नगरी now is my turn and I am singing
काय परत start. बोला
हे बरोबर आहे का now is my turn again and I am going to sing Madhusudan's bhajan and there is a small story about this. This song is about Meher ki Nagri is Meherabad, Baba's place, Meherabad. So Madhusudan has, described the greatness of this place, Baba's Samadhi's place, Meherabad. sacred Mehrabad. And whenever I used to visit Mehrazad on Sundays, I used to sing sometimes whenever there is a time permitted by the organizers. And Balnathu, the Mandali man, he liked these songs very much, and he used to make farmaish, the request, and he would call me and said, today Madhukar, please sing that welcome song, because I have given name to this song is a welcome song. Whenever you come, the Baba lovers come to Mehrabad, they are welcome, and this is welcoming Baba lovers to Mehrabad. So this tells about the greatness of the Mehrabad. Madhusudan always, in the beginning he, writes dohas like Kabir, one or two lines in the very beginning of the song, and then regular song starts, the verses, the signature line and the others, verses and all. So here what he has written in this song is Thake likha likha grantha aneko bade bade guni gyani. So many devotees and the lovers of God and the big people, so-called intellectual and big devotees, they have written many books, granthas, big books, but they could not understand God. And whenever somebody has, found the Godhood, they have realized, they have hidden it, they could not explain. They have hidden the thing, the secret behind. But now, whatever I am singing or telling you, I cannot tell that, and it would be a injustice to the fact. So next is Meher Ki Nagari. Okay, Jai Baba. थाके लिख लिख ग्रंथ अनेको बड़े बड़े गुणी ज्ञानी, पर नहीं पाए पार प्रभु का ऐसी अकथ कहानी। जिसने पाया उसने छिपाया, यही कबीरा बानी। उसे बखाना बढ़ चढ़ कहना, ये होगी मनमानी। मेहर की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, बाबा की नगरी में आ ही गए हो। सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो, सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो, सबके गले मिल जइयो। मेहर की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, बाबा की नगरी में आ ही गए हो। सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो, सबके गले मिल।
A little technical glitch in India, maybe?
प्रेम पी प्रेम ही प्रेम भरा कण कण में,
Sometimes they have electricity fall down.
अपने मन में सुधा बरसैयो, सुधा बरसैयो, सुधा बरसैयो, मिल जइयो सबसे गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। बाबा की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, सबके गले मिल जइयो, सबके गले मिल जइयो। अपनी कहानी जो नहीं जाने, अपनी कहानी जो नहीं जाने, बात पराई कैसे जाने, बात पराई अपने को जब तू पहचाने, अपने को जब तू पहचाने, अपनी कथनी कहियो, कथनी कहियो जी, कथनी कहियो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। मेहर की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, बाबा की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। प्रेम नगर में जो भी आवे, चाहे फिर भी जा नहीं पाए, चाहे फिर भी जा नहीं पावे, प्रेम पिया बिन कछु ना होवे, कुछ ना होवे, बोला फिर कहा जइयो, फिर कहा जइयो जी, फिर कहा जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। मेहर की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, बाबा की नगरी में आ ही गए हो, सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। हमको अपनी धुन ही भाई, हमको अपनी धुन ही भाई, जहाँ बैठे वहाँ उनको ध्याए, जहाँ बैठे वहाँ उनको ध्याए, मधुसूदन सब भूमि मेहर की, मधुसूदन सब भूमि मेहर की, चाहे जहाँ भी रहियो, जहाँ भी रहियो, जहाँ भी रहियो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। बाबा नगरी में आ ही गए हो, बाबा की नगरी में सबके गले मिल जइयो, सबके गले मिल जइयो, मिल जइयो सबके गले मिल जइयो। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। जय बाबा, थँक यू। आता एक नाही नाही आहे ना कोणतं. Okay, now we're going to sing the last song, and no story, a little story, and this is Gaate Chalo, the very popular, and we oftenly sing this song at the end of Amar Tithi, the very ending day, and Dhuni also, every Dhuni 12th, every month, we sing this song. Gaate Chalo is while going. So Gaate Chalo, just sing and just walk out. Jai Baba. गाते चलो गाते चलो गाते चलो गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो गाते चलो गाते चलो गाते चलो गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर काम करते चलो काम करते नाम जपते चलो नाम जपते चलो सत्य कहते चलो झूठ तजते चलो झूठ तजते चलो झूठ तजते चलो मेहर धन का खजाना बढ़ाते चलो मेहर धन का खजाना बढ़ाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर सुख में भूलो नहीं सुख में भूलो नहीं दुख में भूलो नहीं दुख में भूलो नहीं मुस्कुराते चलो मुस्कुराते चलो हंसते गाते चलो हंसते गाते चलो प्रेम जीवन की धारा बहाते चलो ओ जीवन की धारा बहाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर ओ जिसमें मेहर नहीं जिसमें मेहर नहीं वो तो जीवन नहीं वो तो जीवन नहीं मैं मिटाते चलो मैं मिटाते चलो मैं मेहर ले चलो मैं मेहर ले चलो मधुसूदन मेहर में समाते चलो मधुसूदन मेहर में समाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो मेहर मेहर गाते चलो 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 मेहर मेहर जय जय मेहर मेहर जय 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 मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर जय जय मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर 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 जय बोलिए अवतार मेहर बाबा की, अवतार मेहर बाबा की, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। धन्यवाद मेहर, जय बाबा। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you, Madhu.
जय।
Hey, Mer
How are you? जय बाबा। त्यांना बोलायचं असलं तर बोल. हाय हाय क्लिफ, माय ब्रदर. घे ना त्यांना.
Great seeing you. Oh, that was wonderful.
Oh, it was all, you
Glad you're
know.
all healthy.
Oh my God. Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
it is opportunity, you know. It's a good thing that we are together and we see from the distance also we are very near. I know by heart we are very near and we all are dear of each other. And I'm very
So
happy to
amazing.
see you on the screen and you're watching and listening throughout. Jai Baba, both of you. Jai
Thank you.
Meher Baba.
Yay, Mir Baba.
Jai Meher Baba.
सगळ्यांचं नाव सांगा.
So
Thank
I
you
will
very
introduce. Thank you, you too. So I will introduce my wife Kalpana. You might have seen her many times at Samadhi. Then she is Poonam, daughter-in-law. She is married to my son Prashant. Yeah, and he is Praveen. They are always with me since their childhood. You know, on the stage, they used to, you know, crawl on the stage and they used to drink milk and all that. You know, she used to carry everything with us. You know, when they were 10 months old and we were attending the center, you know, and we used to take them along. And a very small bike, whatever it was. And she is, yeah, say hi. Jai Baba. Surekha, Praveen's wife, you know. So they all sing. Surekha dances also. She has learned. She is a graduate. She has graduated in Kathak dance, you know. Bharatnatyam, classical dance. And they sing, everyone. So I'm very happy for that because, you know, and I must say, you know, from my heart, core of my heart, very, very happy for you, and thank you very much from my whole family, and Mehrabad atmosphere, and Mehrabad's, you know, the grace of Lord, and Baba is with you, and Baba is with us, and Baba is everywhere, and that's why, thank you all. Thank you all.
जय बाबा, जय बाबा.
Jai Meher Baba. So should we take leave now? Jai Baba.
जय बाबा,
Jai Meher Baba.
जय मेहर बाबा,
It's time to say goodbye, Jai Baba.
जय मेहर बाबा.
Thank you.
जय बाबा.
Thank you so much. Good night. It was so wonderful. Thank you, everyone.
Oh,
very
सगळे
much.
बोलायला मागतात.
ओके.
Jai Meher Baba. Thank you.
जय मेहर बाबा.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba, it was wonderful.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So it's all, you know, like Amartit atmosphere, you know, from the distance. Our, you know, the faces, you know, we are used to, you know, they are happy ones, and we smile at each, you know, other. That is the gift of God for us, and yeah, that way, that's how we enjoy the life. Yeah, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Complete family. ये नहीं थे ना प्रश्न.
Good, very nice.
Thank you very much, सगळे. Thank you very much
Jai Baba.
for and watching
Hey,
and
time to depart with Baba.
Thank you.
Jai
Time to
Baba.
depart with Baba. Time to depart with Baba.
Thank
Yeah. So, thank you. Time to depart. Time to depart.
Time to depart.
So, Jai Baba.
Time to
Yes, sing.
depart. One and all
Sing,
of you.
sing.
Make it precise and go on your way. Come back.
Yeah.
The very next
So,
day.
The next day.
Depart.
Yes.
Time to depart. Go
But
with
time to
Baba
depart.
in your heart.
क्या बात है? Take Baba with you. Yeah. So, thank you, Meher Chand. My brother, big brother, Jai Baba. Thank you very much.
your heart.
Very nice. So, that was the good, the end. Time.
Thank you, Angela, for arranging it too.
Thank you, Angela.
Thank
It's
you,
true.
everyone. It
Thank
was
you.
fun.
Angela. Thank you.
Thank you, all the family, all the Dada family. Wow.
जय मेरे
Hi, Punam.
Big salute, Poonam. Yeah.
Thank you. Jai
We
Baba.
actually bow down to your love,
We bow down
Yeah.
to your love.
Oh
To
my
Baba's
God.
love.
Oh, Baba,
Baba's
Baba.
love.
Yeah, we should bow down, to him only. And through you to him. Yeah, and to you through him. Yeah, Jai Baba.
Jai
Yeah.
Baba. So we
Jai
see you
Meher
next
Baba.
week. Next week.
Yeah, some stories, many things are there. And so my connection with the Mandali and how, learned many things from them, tips and tricks and how to go near to Baba, that is important. So we are, music is okay, music, Sudan, it's a soothing thing and, it gives a pleasure to heart. But the more is the Mandali and their Sahwas, the company and their small tips they have given, that is very, very useful for everyone. And many people, they have learned, they are ahead and they have, they are on the path and right track for loving Him. But still, when we interact, we learn many things from others. And that's why we share the stories. And it is meaningful in our life. And that's how we remember Him. That is important. So, yeah, see you. See you again. Thank you very much.
Baba.
जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा
Farishte.
Hey, Jai Baba.
Hi. Yes, I feel that you are here. I can see you. You are here in Meherabad. Yeah.
Amirpur. Jai Baba. Thank you.
Hey, Baba. Yeah.
You guys have a beautiful evening and Baba.
Yeah. Tell me.
Jai Meher Baba.
Jai Meher Baba. Jai Meher Baba. It's all His, is that His grace or His, the Nazar. His Nazar is on us. I mean, maybe He wants us to do something. Yeah. So,
World.
there is no goal. There is no big goal. In my life also, when these guys, they have grown up, but they are always in the atmosphere of Meherabad, Meherazad and Baba people and Mandali and all that. So there is no other issue. So no more society, no more this one. We are not bothered of now. We are busy in the music, and there is an event on this Sunday of what is that, Meheram Studio. So the Meheram 7 is a team, and again, very nice. Yeah, we nice people are coming and over. So they're, so good music and Baba people, totally. So it's my sons, they have, clearly mentioned that we will not entertain any other music Okay, the spiritual thing, devotional songs, but more we want Baba's music, Baba people, Baba's lovers, and Baba songs. Okay, so instrumental, whatever is there, instrument or the vocal, or so many more, whichever they have missed, they are coming and we are mixed. Yeah.
जय बाबा
Jai Mer Baba.
जय बाबा मधुकर जी कल्पना जी प्रशांत जी प्रवीण जी
Jai Mer Baba.
and I forget her name, the Kathak dancer.
Yes, Surekha.
Surekha. Hi, Surekha. Beautiful program. We were having lunch and we enjoyed watching the program. It was very beautiful.
Oh yeah. Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
nice.
you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
And I
very much,
love
Jai
that
Baba.
song of Madhukar ji, Tu Hai Khuda Khuda Khuda.
Oh yeah. It's a
One of our
different.
favorites.
It's a you know this. I don't know other languages. Means. My mother tongue is Marathi, Maharashtrian. I'm Maharashtrian. My mother is Marathi. I have learned Hindi and English, okay, due to my educational thing, academic. But if you see the song, there are Farsi words, Persian. There is a Urdu, and there is a third language, Hindi is there. So I don't know how those words have come and fit into that. And afterwards I sang, I set a tune, and afterwards I had to see the dictionary afterwards. So they are meaningful and they are related to the God. So they all narrate, the attributes are the Allah, the highest of the high God. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you so much. We enjoyed it. Jai Baba.
Thank you very much. Jai Meher Baba, Jai Meher Baba. We are very happy. So definitely will be एक one by one आते हैं पानी पी तो
One by one.
మనం అక్కడ మాట్లాడము
They're on
మనం అక్కడ రావాలి వాళ్ళు రావాలి వాళ్ళు
त्यांचं किती वेळ असतं ते
1 by 1 वస్తుంది
मग ते कसं काय मग आपल्याला तर तेवढा टाइम दिला होता
माल्या सेट అయితే
Baba. Oh yeah, I have seen Baba's face, Baba's picture, Baba face. Yeah. Yes,
Wow,
yes.
Jai Baba,
We
Jai
can
Baba.
see Jai Baba.
Jai
Avtar
Baba,
Meher
Jai
Baba ki
Baba
Jai.
ki Jai,
Avtar Meher Baba ki Jai.
Jai.
Yeah.
Jai Baba.
जय मेहर
जय मेहर
बाबा.
बाबा.
आपल्याला उठावं लागेल का म्हणजे आपण त्याचं तेव्हा ते जातील ते काही तिने ऑफ केलं
तिथे आपला
परिष्ठ
Thank you, Angela. Thank you, everyone, for joining us.
अलंकार
Stay home, stay safe.
ती गेली
Thank you. Jai Baba.
जय मेहर बाबा जय बाबा बाबा जय बाबा
So we'll take all of yours leave and Jai Baba.
जय मेहर बाबा
See you all in Mehrabad. Come soon.
Baba.
everyone.
yeah
जय बाबा
so he will definitely set right things he is the one who is he is very tricky he will set right jai baba
जय बाबा
We have his done in our hearts every day.
yeah what tell me काय म्हणते ते काय म्हणते
Meher.
मला या
Said when he dropped his body, he had
या
to take birth into our hearts. And with this situation now, more and more I feel Baba is bringing us all the prayer places are closed, all the mosques and all the churches, and even the Samadhi for the first time ever is closed.
म्यूट कर बेटा
Is Baba saying to us, find me in your hearts. This is his urging to his lovers. and to everyone in the world. Let us find him in our hearts urgently. Jai Baba.